Okay, hello guys. Since I noticed that some people had problem with 701 minus 245, I'm gonna go over that. So especially it's regrouping across zeros. Your old enemy. So I'm gonna write 700 first, 701. Okay, you know that's the greater one for third, fourth, fifth. Later on you have to think about it. And I'm gonna subtract 245. And I'm just gonna stick with the traditional method first. Okay, so you start with the ones. Remember your tens, your hundreds. I'm going back all the way to first and second. You have 1 minus 5. You know, you can't, because you're going to regroup. But you notice you don't have any tens. So it's like going next door. No tens, so you have to go all the way to the hundreds place. You know, that 100 has some tens. They're hidden, but they're right there. So right now I'm going to have 600. Then I have 10 tens. But I still remember I need to regroup one of the tens into ones. So I'm gonna regroup 110 into some ones. So you already had 1 plus 10 equals 11. Then after that, everything is like a domino. Everything falls into place. 11 minus 5 equals 6. 9 minus 4 tenths equals 5 tenths. 6 tenths minus 2 tenths equals 4. So the answer is 456. And some of you were getting 566 because you were thinking it was 10. So I'm going to do it a different way. Remember the present. So 701 minus 245. That only works when I have a 0 next to the other digit. Remember, it has to be specific. Okay, so keep in mind, it has to be specific. Okay. 1 minus 5, you can't. You can only have 1, and I tried to take away 5 ones. Sorry. But remember, you don't have negative numbers in third grade. So I'm going to do 70. Okay, this 70, it has 70 tenths. And 70 tenths is 700. I'm going to write that down. 70 tenths is 700. But I need to regroup one of the tenths. So now I'm going to have 69 tenths. You see the 69 right here? So now that I have 69 tenths, I still got one of the tenths to become ones. So 10 plus 1 equals 11. See the 11? 11 minus 5, 6. 9 tenths minus 4 tenths, 5 tenths. And 6 tenths minus 2 tenths is 4 tenths. Okay? Again, that only works when I have numbers like this. Or you can do minus 110. Now when it becomes another digit, like a 4-digit number, it's a little bit different. So I'm going to try that one, but with 4-digit. Say like 7,005 minus 248. Still got to do it very difficult. So I'm going to show you the traditional one, the new one. This is kind of like the new. This is the old way, you know, the old traditional. So I'm going to have 5 minus 8. Not really, because you only have 5 ones, and I'm trying to subtract 8 ones, and that would be negative 3. But remember, no negative in third grade. But now I have a box of 700. 700 tenths is the same value as 7,000. That's what we practiced in third grade, and some of you hate it. So 700 tenths. I'm going to regroup one of the tenths. It's going to be 699. Because you minus 1 plus 1. Everything you learn from second and first. And now this is becoming 15 tenths. So 15 minus 8, hopefully you remember, 7. Because I know it's been a while for subtraction. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 6 minus nothing. And there goes the new way. If you would like to do the traditional way, it's the same thing. I'm probably going to make space over here. Okay, this is the O. The traditional aspect is 7,005 minus 248. Again, 5 minus 8 ones you can't, so I have to regroup. I still don't have anything in the tens. Still don't have anything in the hundreds. I finally got to the thousands, and I have 6,000. After I have 6,000, then I notice I need to regroup 8,000 into the 10 hundreds. After I get 10 hundreds, I remember I need to regroup one of the hundreds into tens. I finally have 10 tens, but then I still remember I need to regroup one of the tens into 9 tens so I can have 15 ones, you know, so you can regroup them. And if you see it, I still have 699, right? Still the same thing, but a lot more process. But as long as you know what you're doing, now why becoming a robot? So again, 15 minus 8 equals 7. 9 tenths minus 4 tenths equals 5. 9 hundredths minus 200 equals 700. But I don't need to write 700 because 7 in the hundredths is 700. 6 minus nothing is 6,000. Okay. I'll review the one that we did today, and I did a little bit extra. So feel free to practice, and if you still don't understand these steps, let me know and I'll try to make another one slower. Okay. Thank you. Good luck. Let me see if I can forward it.